Hi guys, I want to talk to you about your couple interview projects. They are listed underneath the tab couple interview. Basically what's happening, and you can refer back to that video that I showed you in class, but you are going to interview a couple to find out information about them and how they handle challenges, how they handle conflict, and what they do basically to make the relationship work. You will be graded in the following ways. Remember that you need to have a PowerPoint, and that PowerPoint needs to be narrated. In my opinion, I would go with Google Drive. So if you have a Google account, you go to your Google Drive. You have a new form, which would be, excuse me, well, really quickly, I didn't want a form. You would go to new and then slides. And then when you want to share or make that ability for everyone else to edit, you go to share, and then you, let me see, couple project. And so this time, I want to, editors can change permissions and shares. Okay. So I want to give feedback to get the link, change to anyone with the link. And so I want to make them the editors so that anyone with this link can edit it. So any of my group that has this link will be able to get it. So I'm going to copy this link. And then I can, whenever you talk to your groups, like you could put it into your group access, you could shoot them out an email and put it in there. But you've got these Google slides that everyone can do. And you should be doing an intro slide, a question for each slide. Think about having an image and less text, because that narration will come into play. In order to narrate, what I like to do, you can do this, like you can add narration if you're doing a PowerPoint, like simply just add narration. It still takes a long time to download. I really like using, you can do iMovie or Windows Movie Maker, but I like to use something called Screencast-O-Matic, and I just think it's so easy. You don't have to sign up for anything. You just go, you launch the free recorder, right? And it'll pop up like mine did, like right here, you can see it. And then you push done, and what will happen is that you can upload it if your in your browser is linked to your Google account. You can upload it into a YouTube and then narrate it, giving me the link. So you just open up your slides and narrate at the same time. I hope that helps. I am here to help in any way that I can, and I will also make sure that I have like a slide outline so that you'll kind of understand what I'm looking for. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.